Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel Positive Energy. Have you ever been typing numbers in Adobe Acrobat and noticed they suddenly turn into strange symbols? It's super frustrating, especially when you're working on important PDFs. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you a simple fix that will solve this problem in just a few steps. So, why does this happen? Adobe Acrobat has a feature called Hindi digits. When it's turned on, your normal numbers, like 1, 2, 3, will appear as Arabic-style symbols instead. This can be really confusing if you're used to standard digits, and it might make your document look messy. The good news is, fixing it is very easy and only takes a minute or two. Step-by-step solution. Here's exactly what you need to do. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Go to the top left corner and click Menu, then select Preferences. Or, the shortcut Ctrl+K will open Preferences directly. In the Preferences window, click Language from the left-hand menu. Look for the option called Hindi digits. Uncheck the Hindi digits option to turn it off. Click OK to save your settings. Finally, restart Adobe Acrobat to make sure the changes take effect. And that's it. When you type numbers now, they'll appear normally. No strange symbols, no confusion. It's a small setting, but it can save you a lot of time and headaches if you deal with PDFs often. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Positive Energy for more quick tech tips and solutions. Stay positive, stay productive, and see you in the next video.